So today we're going to do a little unboxing. I am taking my home computer right now, which is currently running an old Gigabyte H77 series motherboard and an Intel i3-2120 with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. And we're going to upgrade it a little. I've already taken the parts out of their boxes, but I have a Intel Core i7 6700K with 32 gigabytes of G.Skill Trident Z RAM at 3200 megahertz DDR4, cast latency 14, and the new Asus Z170-PRO. So we're going to do a quick little unboxing of these three, and we're going to see what's inside. So start off with the Z170, as long as it's here. Case is quite a nice black box, showcases some of the features kind of on the back. And if we open it up, first thing we find is a user guide and our driver disc, because we always love our driver discs. And here is the beast. That is one heck of a sweet motherboard. That's going to be a sweet motherboard. I'm going to take that out of there later. So, underneath, if we take this out, get rid of this stupid packaging here, get the rest of this out of the way. We have a series feature manual, similar to what was already there. Our fancy I/O shield with what looks like a little bit of a printed design on it, and actually labeled ports in terms of USB and what the ports are. Here we have a CPU installation tool, so that should be fun. And one of the things I love about this is it comes with 4 SATA cables, because you can never have too many extra SATA cables. And then on top of that, we have our NVIDIA SLI bridge, our I/O header installation tool, and a spare tiny standoff and a little screw. So let's take all of this out of its packaging here. We'll leave the standoff and screw in, because I don't believe we're really going to need those. Should get some better scissors here. Hopefully, I'll be able to use my SLI tool here later. Unfortunately, I don't have the greatest video card in here. Currently, it is an AMD, well, an MSI Radeon R7 250. Wasn't all that great of a card, but it was a nice budget upgrade from my old PNY GeForce 210. That's a nice I/O shield there. Looks like there's some sound dampening material on either side, so that'll be useful. I hate I/O shields with a passion, though. SATA cables, because you can never have too many SATA cables. I have a good 6 or 8 of these lying around somewhere that never quite seems to be enough. So there's those ones, and I need these ones here. And let's take all of our packaging here and just toss it aside for now. So we'll set these aside. Later. Bags are always a big help here. So, this is the beast, with some extra little stuff on there. That's always fun to peel off. That's a hell of a motherboard. So we'll set that aside for now. We'll set all these components kind of up here. Pitch that. These away. Next, we have our G.Skill RAM. G.Skill Trident Z, 3200 megahertz, 2 sticks of 16 at a cast latency of 14. DDR4 RAM should be pretty fun to try. So let's crack that open. Now that is some sweet RAM. And I see we get a little tiny G.Skill sticker there. So that should be fun. We'll set that aside. And this, my friends, this is the RAM. 2 of these. This should be a heck of an upgrade from what's currently in there. Right now I am running some Corsair Vengeance RAM, 2 sticks of 4 gigabytes each at 1600 megahertz of DDR3. And because I was stupid and I bought an H series motherboard, I can't actually overclock them. So they are base clocked at 1333, and there's absolutely nothing I can do about it. So we'll set our RAM aside here as well, and we'll toss the box off to the side. And last but not least, we have our Intel processor, a Core i7 6700K. That's going to be fun. So, I don't have a cooler. I knew it didn't come with a cooler. I don't intend to buy a cooler for it, but I do have an NZXT Kraken X61 in my current build, so I will be using that because it is compatible with the Intel 1500 series socket type. So, we just take this out of here. This, I don't want to take this out of here just yet, so we'll leave it in here so it doesn't get damaged, because this would be a heck of a thing to drop on the floor. So, we're just going to set that aside, and that should be it for now. So, comes with, you know, the standard instructions and warranty, and just the typical packaging, although that front is pretty sweet to look at. That is one heck of a processor. So, let's set that aside and this kind of packaging, and hopefully I will be able to get towards building this shortly. But that is the haul. Our Z170-PRO from Asus, our G.Skill RAM, and our 6700K. So, hopefully we will have a build log up shortly. This should be fun. Thank you.